In Chapter 7's Lesson 7.1, we're going to look at the example, how many more steps? In this example, we'll be determining the point estimate and the margin of error. In the previous example, we learned that the 95% confidence interval for the true mean number of steps taken per day for all employees at a large company is 4,547 to 8,473. Those are in steps. We're asked to calculate the point estimate and the margin of error used to create this confidence interval. So if you remember from the reading, the point estimate is the midpoint of the two endpoints of our interval. So to determine the midpoint, we are going to add the two endpoints and divide by 2, so taking their average. So that's going to be 6,510 steps. And then to calculate your margin of error is the distance from your midpoint or your point estimate to either endpoint. So to figure out the margin of error, we're going to look at the high endpoint and subtract the point estimate. Similarly, what you could do is take the low endpoint and take the point estimate and subtract the low endpoint. Either way, you'll get the same margin of error. If you'd like more practice with finding point estimates and margin of errors, you can try exercise 5 at the end of this section.